data is desirable, specifically log data. Log data is invaluable for anyone managing and troubleshooting an IT system. All of this data coming from multiple systems and devices is an absolute goldmine of useful information just waiting to be utilized. But finding a way to automate the gathering, analysis, and correlation of these logs filled with all of your data, now that is a difficult task. Or at least it was. Sematext Logs is a fully managed elk in the cloud, without you needing to lose sleep over Elasticsearch and infrastructure management or paying for those expensive consultant fees. Monitoring with Sematext Logs allows you to manage data from multiple sources through a single pane of glass. Collect, analyze, and correlate data from across your whole IT infrastructure, including log files, servers, containers, applications, and so much more. Shipping. So how does Sematext round up all of that useful data? You can ship your logs via Sematext Agent, Elasticsearch API, or pretty much any other logging library. Log4j, Logstash, FileBeat, Syslog, and numerous other shippers that support Syslog or Elasticsearch API. If you need any help or have any questions about compatibility, leave a comment down below or contact us via our website. Our team would be more than happy to help. The link for that is down in the description below. And while you're down there, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so that you can stay up to date with all of our new tools and features. Use cases. Once your logs are in Sematext, there are two main high-level use cases for logs: analytics and troubleshooting. The analytics use case involves building out reports with data extracted from the logs you ship to Sematext. Sematext Logs comes with multiple integrations that include out-of-the-box dashboards as well as alert rules. You can customize these dashboards or create new ones using different types of widgets, like time series charts, data tables, and markdown notes. These widgets can then plot your data from different sources, from metrics, logs, or events. From this data, you can make informed business decisions that will help you save time, money, and a lot of headache. The second use case is troubleshooting. Troubleshooting involves lots of log searching, filtering, and correlation. Troubleshooting with logs is what you do when you're trying to find the root cause of downtime, production issues, or bugs. This process typically starts with searching and/or filtering. Sematext provides log insight and analysis to ensure application performance. Sifting through what could potentially be millions of logs to find the root cause of a problem is just a few clicks away with Sematext. Find relevant events by using powerful, full-text search query language on every piece of information that your log events contain. Identify the noisiest source of your log events for easy identification of potentially problematic services. Here are some of the search options at your disposal. You can include or exclude keywords by using the plus or minus sign. You can use phrases and fielded search. You can use and, or, not operators, use proximity, fuzzy, wildcard, and range searches. You can build elaborate queries that make use of all the search options and more to zoom in on what really matters. Typing out specific searches makes perfect sense when you know what you're looking for. But let's say you don't quite know what you're looking for and you just need to see a bigger picture. In that case, it might be more beneficial to use filters. To do this, simply click the plus or minus icon next to the field value. It's that easy. And yes, you can also use filters and keywords at the same time. Logs tables. Now let's take a look at the logs events themselves. They are shown in a table with columns that represent your event fields. You can choose which fields to show. You can also drag the columns to reorder them, and each row can be fully expanded to see the full log event. Livetail. Livetail allows you to view log data in real time. By applying a filter, you can restrict your search to only show live events as they happen. You can then feed this data into various charts or graphs for a quick overview that helps detect crucial log events as they are happening. This is a great feature for when you are deploying and want to quickly spot any errors. Pipelines. Even the most basic system will produce a lot of logs, and log events are not always structured the way you want them to be. For various reasons, it might be hard to set up a log shipper that can filter or transform your log events. Sematext Log Pipelines lets you drop unwanted log events or remove unwanted fields before they are processed and stored in Sematext Cloud. You can configure your log data before it is stored with customizable processing steps. This helps keep your monitoring system clutter-free, and you won't have to pay for all that unused data. Alerts. Alerts are used to notify you when one or more predefined conditions in your log data are met. Sematext Cloud includes multiple types of alerts that integrate with Slack, email, Teams, OpsGenies, and many other third-party services. Select from 3 of our alert types in Sematext Alerts. The first one being threshold alerts. Threshold alerts are the classic type of alerts. These alerts are triggered when a certain predefined threshold is met. If a metric goes above or below a certain point at any time, an alert is sent. Anomaly alerts. Anomaly alerts are based on statistical anomaly detection. Sematext uses machine learning to understand the basic rhythms of your system. When an anomaly alert is set, it will send out an alert when the value suddenly deviates from its baseline. And lastly, a heartbeat alert. A heartbeat alert is sent out when Sematext Cloud stops receiving data from your server, container, or application. Archiving. Need to make your recent logs searchable for your DevOps teams, but also need to archive your old logs for compliance reasons? Simply enable archiving to automatically compress and store all logs received to any S3 compatible storage service. Pricing. Sematext allows you to only pay for what you need when you need it, without any upfront payments or commitments. Control your costs by selecting different pricing plans for each of your individual apps and solutions, and change them at any time to match your need. In Sematext, an app is simply a container for all of your data. You can create as many apps as you need and use different plans, volumes, and retentions for each of your individual app, as opposed to having an account-wide plan. If you'd like to find out more about logging or logging with Sematext, go ahead and give it a free try. There's a free trial for Sematext down in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, keep monitoring, everybody.